Hi guys, I am going to start banking series for bank PO exam. Today I am going to teach you numerical ability. Okay, now look here. Arithmetic 15 marks. Okay, total 15 questions for arithmetics. Data interpretation 20 questions. Simplification 10 questions. Number series 5 questions. 5 questions. Total you have to solve 50 questions in first round. Okay, now come the question, marks of the question. English language 50 number, data interpretation and data analysis 50 number, reasoning 50 number, and general awareness 50 number. Total you have to solve 200 numbers. Okay, in first round. Second round you have to write essay writings. Okay, but remember one thing, you can't solve 200 marks of all the questions unless and until you adopt some shortcuts and you know some tricks. That tricks I am going to teach you today. I am going to discuss you today. Okay, now come a simple mathematics. I am going to teach you how to solve by adopting my method. Okay, look here. Suppose you have to calculate two numbers like 33 and 66. Two number is there where 66 same number, same digit two times, 66 same digit two times, 99 same digit two times, 55 same digit two times, and you have to calculate with a number whose last digit is same. How you will do it? Look here. First you have to take it, this is 66, but you have to take it as single 6 digit. Okay, if 99 then you will take first means only 19. Okay, now look here. Now you are taking it as a single 6. Okay, now step 2. Now you have to calculate this 6 with last 6. How much 6 into 6? 36. Multiply both. This is 36 and 6 is there and 3 went in carry. Okay, now we are making a table for memory purpose and keeping 6 here. Okay, and 3 is in carry, that will be added in next step. Now we are removing this table again and we are calculating, coming to step 3. What we have to do is step 3. Now we will add last digit and second digit. 6 into 3, how much? 9. And now you have to calculate 9 with 6. Add of both is 9. Now you will calculate how much it will come. 54. Okay, and 4 and 5 went in carry. Now in previous stage, have you remember 36 we carry was 3. Now we are adding 3 here. Now it is 7. Now how much it came? Look here, number will form gradually. 6, 7, 76. Okay, now come next step. Now again we are adding two digits of last one and previous one. This is 5. Add is 30. Add of both, now carry 5 of previous is 35. Now we will write 5 here. 6, 7, 5. Okay, 3 is in carry. Now again come to another step. Okay, come to another step. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate, multiply this with 6. Equal to 12 and 3 of previous 15. Now number formed completely 6, 7, 5, 5, 1. Okay, again I am repeating it. Repeating it again. Look here, we have to calculate this. Look here. How it came? Look here. first we will calculate this. 6 carry 3. Now we will add this. 9. 9 into 6. 54 plus 3. 57. Carry 5. Now again we will add this. 5 into 6. 30. And carry 5. 35. 3 is remaining. 12. And plus 5. 15. And now look here. Number form here. 15, 5, 7, 6. Okay. This type of techniques you have to adapt to solve. Otherwise you can't attempt all questions for banking examinations. Okay. This is my first video for banking series. Just go on watching. Okay. Bye bye.